Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to do makeup for dry skin. I wanted to come on here and do this video for you guys, and I am a bit more calm, or I don't want to say down because I'm not necessarily sad or depressed or anything, but I am a bit more calmer today. I know my friends normally complain when they watch my videos that I lack energy, and I still come on here and film videos for you guys even when it's not like my best day ever on earth or anything, because like if I'm being honest, I feel like you're not going to be hyped all the time, even though I am a hyped person, but I'm a human being, and I go through personal stuff and I get tired or whatever, like go through different stages in life. So I'm not always going to be this high energy person that some people may expect me to be, and I'm really sorry if that's gonna bother anyone. I didn't expect to go on around like this, but I just wanted to address that because my friends do say that I am not like high energy on camera, and the reason I still come on camera even when I'm going through like personal stuff or I'm not necessarily feeling my best is because I just want to show like that there's different people go through things. I'm a real human being, and that's what I've always loved about YouTube. You can just come on here and be candid and honest, and that's the reality for me. Like, not every day is my best day, or I'm living this glamorous, unrealistic life. I really go through things, you guys, whether it be physical, emotional, with my family, with my friends, like whatever it may be. Like, I go through real things. So I am sorry if it comes off on camera as if I'm sort of bored or disinterested or anything like that. That's really not the case. I'm just a human being, and I feel it's important to show all aspects of a person and not just the fabulous side, if you know what I mean. Anyways, let's get into the actual purpose of the video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to do makeup for dry skin, so let's get on with that. I'm so happy I'm in focus. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my skin using lotion, obviously. So I have extremely dry skin, not like medium dry, like proper dry. So, ooh, I don't want to drop this. What I'm moisturizing with today is the Epimax Baby and Junior Cream. It's this one, the purple one. It's nice and focused. I know a lot of people like Epimax. It's so amazing for like dry skin. Sometimes even if you have normal skin, you can use it like on your body and stuff. It's really moisturizing and makes your skin feel amazing. So ideally, for me, because today I'm doing a video on dry skin, I'm gonna moisturize on camera. Ideally, you want to moisturize before you put your foundation and makeup on. You can even moisturize way before, so that the moisturizer has time to sink into your skin and it's not slipping and sliding when you try to put foundation and makeup on. And another thing I want to mention, I forgot to mention that I have a wisdom tooth issue. So like this side of my mouth is painful, like really painful. So if I'm talking funny, it's because of that. So let's get into the next step, which is foundation. I'm going to apply the Estee Lauder foundation because this is my foundation of choice every single day. I don't always prime, you guys, because I don't know. I'm just like lazy like that. I don't always prime, but if you're looking for a primer for dry skin, LA Girl has a great primer. And when I prime with that as well, I feel like my makeup turns out really good. So it's definitely a good primer. So it's important, if you have dry skin, not to use a foundation that's going to be too matte. This one that I'm using by Estee Lauder is not too matte. I've heard people with even oily skin say that it's drying, but for me, I find that if I moisturize, then it's fine. So I think the key with this one is to just moisturize. I'm not sure if my camera is recording or not, but I was trying to explain that I like to use this LA Girl concealer because it's nice and emollient for your skin. Is that how you say it? This is the shade Fawn. I like to switch between this and Warm Honey. I feel like, oh, it's so dark actually in my room, but I feel like this shade is a bit dark for me now because I'm lighter. Keep looking at the viewfinder because I'm lighter now, so I don't know. So if you have dry skin, your concealer, you want to blend it out with a beauty blender. That can sort of help to make everything look natural and to help it to settle into your skin. Because you know, when you have dry skin, sometimes the makeup can sort of seem like it's sitting on top. Before this concealer dries up, I'm just gonna make sure that it's blended. I just set this side, now I'm gonna set the left hand side. So guys, if you have dry skin, that doesn't mean that you're gonna get away with like not using powder, because otherwise you're gonna crease. So please set your makeup. So I've just set my makeup, and I don't bake because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, obviously you're welcome to bake. But for me, because I have dry skin, I just feel like it's a very unnecessary step, and it's just gonna make my life hell for nothing. My mom's phone is ringing. Sorry. So I'm just gonna use this palette by Makeup Revolution, and then this brush by Essence, and I'm going into this color over here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm dusting off the excess so that I don't get fallout. Especially if you're just looking for something to So I'm not doing any kind of complicated makeup look. I just literally want to have something on my eyes. Hence the transition shade, it might not even show up on camera as much. And then I'm gonna go into this shade. It's the second darker shimmer here. The second darker shimmer in the palette. I'm just gonna take this all over my eyelids with this same brush. Like I said, I'm not going for anything complicated today. I just don't want to have a bare face. But I think this is still gonna look pretty, like regardless. It's just not technically advanced, but I'm actually too lazy to get a highlighter, so I think this might make me ashy, but I want to try it out. This shade, which is like the lightest shimmer in the palette, and I want to try and take this on the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to go into my setting powder and put it on the bridge of my nose as well. So because I have dry skin, I don't like to use too much powder, so I don't set my entire face, if that makes sense. So this is what I found. I guess different things are gonna work for different people, but for me, like, I found that if I don't set my whole face, it just works so much better for me. And then after I'm done doing my makeup, I don't get that like super dry feeling. So I just put some setting powder on the bridge of my nose. I forgot to show you guys, but this is the powder that I used to set my foundation. I used the light one. So this is from Wet n Wild, and this is the darkest one that they have. So it works for me, and I think for dry skin, it's not going to dry you out too much. It's just going to set your powders without your concealer without drying out your skin. So that this powder on the bridge of my nose, I'm not going to let it sit for too long. I'm actually going to dust it off with a highlighter. That same eyeshadow that I showed you guys. Yeah. And then I also want to go actually with something pink. Let me show you guys. So this is the lightest pink in the palette. Well, unless you think this is a pink, but to me this is more... Ooh, the palette's not showing. Okay, to me this is more of a champagne, and then this is a pink. So to me this is the lightest shimmery pink in the palette. I'm just going to take that as well on the bridge of my nose, sort of to serve as a highlighter. I don't want to like actually get up and go get a highlighter as well, so I'm like bloop. So I actually took this lip liner all over my lips, because today I'm having like a really random lazy day. I don't feel like getting up and going to like look for all of these I don't feel like getting up and going to look for all of these like lip products and whatever else, and highlighters. Just gonna be taking the mascara from Essence. This is the one with the pink body.
That's good.
You guys, genetically I have like eyelashes that are very diyarmakar, so I can't help it. That's just my genetics. Right? I'm not 100% happy with this makeup look, so I'm gonna add concealer to my mouth, my lips. This is the final makeup look, you guys. So my battery is dead, like it's literally gonna down me now. I actually wanted to film another video, but wow, I'm just gonna charge it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share my video, to like the video, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.